heard a snap, and I looked out the window, and all I see is this gigantic tree coming straight towards me and my family. I woke up that morning, and my life got flipped upside down in less than 15 minutes. And this was my home for over a decade, and now it looks like a disaster, because that's what happened. It was a disaster. Whenever we got the news that, we had been approved for help and for the housing, it was like someone threw me a life raft. I actually got to come home for the first time in months. I can't even imagine where I would be without FEMA. Even this brings me speechless sometimes, or not knowing what to say. I guess if you could sum it up, it would be thank you.